In this video, I'm going to show you where to find a promotional offer for Sports Direct. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser, go to Google, and in the Google search box, type in promotional offers for Sport Direct. Once you've done that, hit search. And then you'll get to the Google search results here, and we got couponfollow.com up to 10% off. We got shopper.com, shopback, groupon.com, we thrift it, etc. So you can check out any one of these sites to get a promotional offer. But for this one here, I'm going to go to couponfollow.com. I find this website is a good website to get promo deals. So as you can see, I am on Coupon Follow. So if I scroll down, you can see all the different offerings they have. You've got 5% off, 10% off, 20% off. So to activate any one of these codes, just simply click on the code. You can even see some stats as well. Someone just saved £2.39 off their order, and these codes do change daily or weekly, so be sure to come back every so often. So to get my 10% off, I'm going to click into it, and I'm going to click on copy this code. And now I'm going to paste this code at the checkout section of Coupon Follow to enjoy my 10% off my order.